Hi, I'm Fahrenheit. This is the official r/LegacyJailbreak tutorial for cracking apps on iOS 6 through 9. This tutorial will go over how to install the tools needed to dump apps, and I will also show you how to move them from your device to your computer with iFunBox. Keep in mind this tutorial requires a computer with macOS or Windows. The advanced version works with Linux. However, it is command line only and should be meant for advanced users. You will need a jailbroken device to perform this. Visit r/LegacyJailbreak if you need help doing so, or join our Discord and ask. I and the r/LegacyJailbreak staff are currently working on an archival project aimed at preserving old iOS apps and other software. We would love if you would consider contributing what apps you've dumped to our archive for preservation. A lot of old apps are no longer downloadable, so you would be saving a piece of Apple history. After you are done with this tutorial, please go to the Megadrop link in the description and upload the apps you've dumped. If you want to help out and get credit for your contribution, or just discuss the project, join our Discord. The Discord is linked in the description. We are going to be installing 5 things. First is a tweak called Apple File Conduit 2. It's from the repo Big Boss and allows us to access our device's files from iFunBox Classic. Our second thing to install is Mobile Terminal or mTerminal depending on your iOS version. Third is downloading Clutch, which is the cracking tool that we will be using. Fourth is iFunBox Classic on your computer. Let's start with our device. We will be installing a terminal and a tweak called Apple File Conduit. Apple File Conduit allows access to our phone's full file system, which is very useful if we want to drag and drop files between our computer and our device. Unlock your device and go to Cydia. If you are on iOS 6, go to the Search tab and search up Mobile Terminal. If you're on iOS 7 through 9, go to the Search tab and look up mTerminal. Tap Mobile Terminal or mTerminal and click Install on the top right. Now click Continue Queuing. Go back to the Search tab and search up Apple File Conduit 2. Make sure to install the version that does not say iOS 11. Click on Apple File Conduit and click Install on the top right. Click Confirm and let it install. It should install the terminal and the Apple File Conduit tweak. Next, click Respring. Once it's done, now it's time to move to your computer. To start with, on the computer, we'll be downloading Clutch. Go to the description of this video and click the link for Clutch and let it download. It should go to your Downloads folder. Rename the file to just Clutch, no uppercase. Now we are going to install iFunBox Classic. It's a solid tool that I've used hundreds of times over the past 10 years. If you're on macOS, skip to the timestamp on screen. If you have iTunes or anything Apple related already installed, be sure to follow these steps or else the entire tutorial will not work. This is due to the latest iTunes drivers breaking the way devices connect with iFunBox. I will show you how to downgrade the iTunes drivers now. Do not worry, once you are done you can update iTunes again. iFunBox just won't work afterwards. Go and press the Windows key plus R. Type out the word Control, space, then the word Panel. Click Enter. Go down to Uninstall a Program. Go over to iTunes, click Uninstall, and go through the entire uninstall process. Do the same for the rest of the other Apple software you have. I will skip now to when these are done uninstalling. Now that iTunes and everything Apple related is uninstalled, go to the description and get the version of iTunes that I have linked. Let it download. Open the installer. Click Next. Leave default settings. Click Install. Put in your administrator password whenever necessary. Once it's complete, click Finish and let iTunes open automatically. Click Continue if this appears. Click Agree. Click Agree again. Now close iTunes. Now that iTunes is downgraded, time to move on to installing iFunBox. Go to the video description and get the version of iFunBox that I have linked for Windows. Open up the setup file. Run the file. Type in your administrator password. Click OK. Click Next. Accept the terms. Click Next again. Click Next. If this appears, if you have already installed iFunBox, click Yes. Click Next. And click Install. Now click Finish. Keep in mind, iFunBox works both on Windows and macOS. Go to the video description and get the versions I have linked. Once it's downloaded, open up the file. On macOS, you'll get a DMG file. It should check the volumes. Then drag and drop the iFunBox application to the Applications folder. On macOS, there can be an error if you try to open the app. The reason it does this is macOS blocks certain applications. Open up System Preferences. Go to Security and Privacy. Go to General and click Open Anyway. Should give you the option to open. iFunBox should be working now. Now that you've gotten everything you need on your computer, plug in your device. Open up iFunBox and click on File Browser. If you're on macOS, you do not need to do that. Click on Raw File System, go to /user, then click on /bin, and then go to your downloaded clutch file and drag and drop it to /user/bin. Now it's time to move on to your device. Open up your device and open mTerminal or Mobile Terminal. Type SU, click Return. Now type out the word Alpine. That should be your default root password. Type cd /user/bin. Type out chmod 755 clutch. Now type clutch-i to see what apps you can crack. Looks like I only have one app I can crack. To choose an app to decrypt, type clutch-d and then put the corresponding number. It should go through the process of cracking the app for you. The path for the dumped file is /var/mobile/documents/dumped. Now that we've cracked our app, let's go find where it was dumped and I'll show you how to move it to your computer. To access the apps you just dumped, open up iFunBox. Click on Raw File System, go to var, go to Mobile, go to Documents, then click Dumped, and your file should be contained within there. Just drag and drop it to wherever you want it to go. If you want to upload your apps to our archive to preserve them for future generations, I've made an easy upload link that is in the description. Just drag and drop the files and you're done. If you join our Discord and tell us you submitted something, you will get a contributor role and get credit in the final archive. If you have any questions, visit r/LegacyJailbreak or visit our Discord. Both are linked in the description. Please subscribe and like if this tutorial helped you. I will continue to put out legacy iOS tutorials. Thank you.